Power amplifiers in analog electronics. Have you ever wondered how a small audio signal becomes loud enough to fill an entire room? Or how your speaker produces such powerful sound? The secret lies in power amplifiers. Today, we are going to explore everything about power amplifiers in analog electronics in a simple and exciting way. Introduction. So, what is a power amplifier? A power amplifier is an electronic device that increases the power level of signals. It takes a weak signal and converts it into a strong signal. This strong signal is then used to drive loads like speakers, motors, antennas. Without power amplifiers, modern electronics would not function properly. What is power amplifier? A power amplifier is specially designed for maximum power transfer. It works at the output stage of electronic circuits. Input, low power signal. Output, high power signal. In simple words, it boosts signal strength to a usable level. Key characteristics. Power amplifiers have some important characteristics. High output power. Efficiency, how much power is effectively used. Linearity, accuracy of the signal. Heat dissipation, managing heat. Low distortion, maintaining signal quality. These factors decide the performance of an amplifier. Types of power amplifiers. There are different types of power amplifiers. Class A, Class B, Class Sub, Class C, Class D. Each type has its own advantages and applications. Class A amplifier. Class A amplifiers conduct for the full cycle of the signal, which is 360 degrees. Very high linearity. Low efficiency, around 25–30%. These are used in high-quality audio systems where sound clarity is important. Class B amplifier. Class B amplifiers conduct only for half the cycle, 180 degrees. Better efficiency, around 70%. Crossover distortion occurs. Usually used in push-pull configuration to improve performance. Class AB amplifier. Class AB is a combination of Class A and Class B. Reduced distortion. Moderate efficiency. This is widely used in audio systems because it provides a good balance. Class C amplifier. Class C amplifiers conduct for less than 180 degrees. Very high efficiency. High distortion. Mainly used in RF applications like radio transmitters. Class D amplifier. Class D amplifiers are switching amplifiers. Use PWM, pulse width modulation. Very high efficiency, till 90%. These are used in modern devices like Bluetooth speakers and portable systems. Working principle. Let's understand how a power amplifier works. Input signal is applied. Transistors amplify the signal. Power is drawn from the supply. Output drives the load. Heat is generated, so heat sinks are required. Applications. Power amplifiers are used everywhere. Audio systems. Radio transmitters. TV broadcasting. Wireless communication. Industrial control systems. They are essential in modern technology. Advantages. Advantages of power amplifiers. High power output. Improves signal strength. Essential for real-life systems. Used in almost all electronic devices. Limitations. However, there are some limitations. Heat generation. Power loss. Distortion in some classes. Requires cooling systems. Proper design is needed to overcome these issues. Conclusion. To conclude, power amplifiers are very important in analog electronics. Different classes are used for different purposes. A balance between efficiency and quality is essential. They play a major role in modern technology. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, like, share, subscribe. See you in the next video.